In this video, I'm excited to introduce our new invoicing feature, developed to streamline your accounts receivable process, cut fees, and help you get paid faster. To start off, hit Customize and add your logo. Next, add customer and enter their name. We're going to go with Bayless Construction. Their email, we'll use a testing email for this one. And then decide the payment methods, credit card or debit card in CAD or USD, or bank transfers. And if we want to bill this customer on credit or debit card, we can decide if we want to pass this processing fee over to the customer. Then hit save and your customer's ready to go. Now it's time to send the invoice. Hit create invoice, choose the customer you'd like to bill, set the invoice number, the currency that you're going to bill this customer in, the line items that it's for. So let's say we're going to get 100 gears at $5 per with a 10% tax rate, and we're going to get some tools. We'll get 50 of them. They're $10 each, once again with that 10% tax rate. Hit continue. We're going to bill this customer today, but they have about 30 days to make this payment to us. And then we're going to decide that we want this to be a recurring invoice on a monthly basis. So if we scroll down here, on the 11th of every month, we'll bill this customer, and we expect this project to last for about 3 months, so we'll end it on the 30th of June. Then hit review details. I can see a breakdown of my items right here. I can preview the invoice if I want to, and then all I have to do is schedule the invoice. Once paid, it'll be paid right back into your US dollar account with no foreign exchange fees. Now if I go to my email, I'll see that I've received a new invoice from Venn. I'll click into it, and I have a link to pay, as well as an attachment, which is a PDF copy of the invoice with the bank details, the line item details, as well as a link to pay via credit card. If I click on that link, I'll see 2 tabs. The first tab, if they want to pay via bank transfer or ACH, I'll see the details to the account. If I want to pay via credit card, I'll click credit card here, enter my card information, the name on the card, postal code, save the card on file, and hit pay. Your customer has now paid the invoice. If I go back to the dashboard here, you'll see that that invoice that was just paid by your customer is now in transit and will land in your US dollar account within 24 hours. Lastly, at the top, you'll see a breakdown of total outstanding, overdue, and paid invoices. This invoicing feature eliminates the need for multiple systems, significantly reduces fees, and lets you do it all in one consolidated platform.